Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Govee outdoor light strip. The length for this one is 32.8 feet or 10 meters. It works with Google Home and Alexa. Here you see the model number and you also see that it's waterproof, IP65 rated for the LED strip itself. Then there's a control box which is also IP65, but the adapter is only IP44, but that should be okay for outdoor use, maybe under a roof where it's not fully exposed. Here we also see what should be in the box. So strip, the LED light strip, the control box, adapter, and user manual. And you can get this on Amazon. I bought it for 44 euros. It's the 10-meter version. The 20-meter version is more expensive. And it does have 4.5 stars. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first thing in the box, we see the LED strip itself. It has a 3M sticker on the back, so you can stick it to something, but there are also those fasteners which you can screw onto the railing or something like that. And this is the power plug, and the control box gets connected to this. Next we have the power adapter, which is IP44 rated. And here you can see the electrical markings on it. Output 36 volts and 1 amp, 36 watts what this can output. And then we have the control box. And we also have these fasteners with screws, quite many of them. And then we have a user manual. This is working with the Wi-Fi on 2.4 gigahertz, but it does not work on 5 gigahertz. To get it connected to your Wi-Fi, you need to download the Govee Home app and have Bluetooth enabled. Then in the app, press the plus icon and search for 86175, which is the model, and then you can get it paired and connect it directly to your home Wi-Fi. And here we have also the working temperature for the LED strip. And here we have the electrical markings on the control box. Connecting the power adapter to the control box is easy. You just plug these together. There is an O-ring here, so that's good for weather sealing. You can screw it on by hand like that, and that works just fine. Connecting the control box to the power adapter is with this connector, and there is again an O-ring and kind of similar mechanism. And after tightening, that works just fine. Now with the power adapter connected to the wall, there's a button on the control box, so we can turn it on and we see it's working. You can use the app to control the brightness and the color of the LEDs, and you could do all your automations with Google Home or Alexa. I'm going to do it with Home Assistant. And just a little warning, don't leave the LEDs on when they are tightly in this bundle, because it will damage the LEDs. The strip itself is flexible and it has these little LEDs on it. So yeah, my first thoughts are that this seems like a solid product. I'm going to install it outside, and yeah, I'll leave a link down below in the comments once the installation is done outside, so you can also check that out. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and also check the link down below to Amazon if you like to order one. Thanks for watching.